Hello everyone. Today we are going to build object-oriented paradigm in FactoryTalk Optix. First, we should know the three basic concepts: object, object type, alias. Object is an instance in your project. It's a real things. For example, iPhone, iPhone 16, iPhone 17, iPhone 15 is real object. In the optics, Motor 1, Motor 2 is object, Its object type is a reusable template, It's similar to class in computer program. We can use object type to create multiple objects in the project, For example, object type is look like iPhone camera battery screen, Object type defined structure, variable, method, and events. Most of we use variable, Alias is a point. It doesn't hold any data. It's just a pointer to which one you want to look at right now, Just alias. Now we start how to build object-oriented paradigm. First, we create a small program. Then we go to module. We create two folders. One is called object. Objects. One is called object type. Object type, New object. We create a new object. We can name motor 1, Then here, go to write property. We can create variable name is a string. Second one, light. Oh, it's wrong. Look like a wrong. Wrongly. It's by born. Then speed. That's it. And here is object, It's a motor. Then we go to type view, go to module. Then we drag this motor 1, go to here. You can see he create a motor type, Then here have motor type. Then this one is object type, We can move here. That's it. Then we go to object type. We can find this mode here. Then we can move this object type module, go to the objects. This object, motor 1. This one's mode objects mode instance. We can change name. Motor 2. That's it. So here is object, Object type is the motor type. Also, we can new variable, create a new variable. Temperature. You can see the motor 1 have temperature add. The model 2 have temperature. So its object is create. Now we should create panel. Go to here. Go to new one. Go to folder. Go to here's panel. Okay, new panel. We can create panel 1. Okay, we can double click here. Oh, we can name is panel module. Okay, panel module. In this one, we can create. Go to use interface. Go to the base control. In here, we type it's LED on the text box 2. Okay. In here, we get temperature. Speed. Okay. Temperature. Okay. That's it. So this one panel module. Okay. First, in this panel module, we create new alias. Okay. New alias is motors. Oh, just test. Okay. Then go to the here. Go to the set kind. Then we go to module. We find the object motor. Okay. We set. That means is object is type. Okay. Object module type in here. Module type in here. This one is a connection here. Then we one by one is this label. We go to text in here. We should go to alias. Go to test. This one go to motor. Go to name. Okay, this name is light. Is activity. We go to here. Go to running. Okay. Go to speed. Display text. Go to here. To speed. In here. Go to temperature. Okay. That's it. This one is panel module. Okay, we create panel module. Now, in the panel, we build new module on the new folder. panel, individual panel, every panel, okay? In here, we create a panel. So now this one, we delay. In here, every panel, okay? Then we go to all, go to use interface, go to here panel. In here, AV panel, just this panel. Is the panel module. In here, this panel module. We can remove panel module, go to the AV panel. First one, okay? Second one, AV panel. So it's the same. We can name panel 1, okay? This one, panel 2, okay? It's panel. Look. So we first panel. Here's test. We can create collection, okay? It's motor panel 1. Should be the motor 1, okay? Test, go to here. Motor panel 2, you should be motor 2, okay? That's it. Okay. Then go to main window. We create new window is the container. In here, security file, okay. In here, we can use motor control center, okay. Font, no, sorry, 35, okay. That's it. Then new navigation panel in here, okay. Stretch, horizontal vertical element is stretch, okay. Now first we panel, okay. We panel this one, panel 1, drag to here, okay. Panel 1, the panel 2, drag here, panel 2. Then we start. We first give assignment variable. Panel 1 is panel 1, okay. Is running. We set true. Is speed 23.4. Is temperature is 56, okay. So is panel 2 is names panel 2, okay? Is running, not running, speed, not speed, okay? We can test, save. Yeah, it's running. Look, it's panel 2, it's panel 1, okay? Panel 1 is panel 1. Its speed is 23, okay? Panel 2 is not running, okay? Now we can, it's giving me false, okay? Okay, it's not running, panel 1 is not running, but panel 2 is running. It is 9 speed, 895, 891. Is temperature 75. Okay, we can see simulation. Okay, it's not running, panel 1. Panel 2 is running. Look, 875, 70, 891, 75. Okay, this one just the object. So we can add new variable in the object. Okay, now let me see, module, object, go to here, the temperature name, we can see, add is variable, level, okay. Also, in here, in the panel module, we can add in here level, in here level, in here we can alias level, okay, select. We can see in panel 1, panel 2, all the level already, okay, panel 1, okay. Look, panel 1, panel 2, okay. So we can see mode level, we can change it 1110, okay. Mode 2, 350, okay. We can test. Look, 350, panel 1, panel 2, 1000, okay. That's it. Today we just show you relationship, object type, and alias, how to working together, okay. In the future, your connection PLC is structured, okay. Thank you very much.